Vishv Books was started in 2003 by a young and dynamic entrepreneur, Mudit Mohini. Born in the legendary Delhi press family, Mudit Mohini started her career with an advertising company, but her interests lay in designing and writing books.
When I did my after my mass communication, I joined an advertising agency and I was doing media planning there. It was a total media planning and it was like hardcore number crunching kind of a thing. For 3 years I did that and I was like, this is not me. This is not, I want to do something more creative.
Although Mohini had some idea about the publishing business she had acquired from her family, running an independent publishing and printing company was an entirely different ballgame. Everything needed to be started from scratch, right from unearthing unpublished gems to handling senior editors and other staff of her new venture.
Learning all that was a challenge because nobody was there to teach me, because even in my family they are more aware of how the magazines are being printed. So, and I didn't I have never worked in a book publishing under any book publisher. So this is all learning by yourself.
Today Vishv Books is a much respected printing and publishing company in India and has so far published more than 1,500 titles. Its vast infrastructure along with the team of more than 100 skilled workers have helped in achieving a turnover of 15 crore rupees last year. But these sales figures have never held much attraction for Mudit Mohini, whose idea of business is to reinforce the habit of reading in children.
And as a society we invest less on books. For school books we might invest, but as a normal general book we will just think, 50 rupee book is very expensive. Our concept is that we don't just want to sell books, we are also wanting everybody is able to read the book, and especially children.
After achieving a foothold in the publishing business, Mohini started concentrating more on her inner desire of writing books. She detached herself from the company's balance sheets and started concentrating more on writing and designing books. Her degree in graphic designing helped her give a new dimension to her books.
मुदित मैम बच्चों के किताबों के लिए बहुत कुछ जानती हैं और मतलब काफ़ी ऐसी नई नई स्टोरियाँ लेके आती हैं जो हमने आज तक इतना टाइम हो गया आज तक हमने देखी नहीं, और स्टोरी भी कुछ क्रिएटिव होती है. उसके बाद फिर स्टोरी पे डिस्कस किया जाता है. मुदित मैम हमको बताती हैं कि स्टोरी इस टाइप से बननी चाहिए, इस स्टाइल में होनी चाहिए, इसकी कलरिंग इस स्टाइल में होनी चाहिए. उसके बाद फिर हम मैम से डिस्कस करने के बाद उसके बाद विजुलाइज करते हैं. पेपर पे ड्राइंग बनाने के बाद फिर हम दिखाते हैं मैम को. अगर कुछ उसके अंदर खामियां होती हैं वो मैम हमको समझाती हैं और काफ़ी कुछ उसके बारे में बताती हैं कि नहीं ये चीज़ इस टाइप से होनी चाहिए. उसके बाद वो अप्रूव करती हैं. उसके बाद फिर हम आगे का जो प्रोसेस होता है कलरिंग सब कुछ उसके बाद करते हैं.
With the changing times and advent of new technologies in the educational space, Vishv Books has kept pace by introducing new ways of learning like innovative pop-up books and graphically animated stories. Mudit Mohini personally takes care of this department and has herself written more than 100 books for children.
I always had this thing in my mind that I wanted to open an animation cell. And while I was doing that, I saw a book written by some other publisher on a number book, children number book. And I was just wondering that why they make it so difficult for children to understand numbers, when you can just tell a simple story, or in a very fun manner we can teach them numbers.
When a passion becomes a skill and an interest becomes a business, the boundaries between personal and professional seem to melt away. Such is the case with Mudit Mohini as well, who has managed to carve a name for herself not just in the printing business, but also in innovative new avenues of teaching